Thank you very much. Okay, let's, and the objective here is to have a dialogue and allow you to ask any question you want. But in order to do that, I'm going to try to take 5 or 10 minutes to position a little bit the ground about what's the alliance. I'm not sure everybody knows exactly what it is. Second, about what's our strategy, how can we summarize it? And third, about what are the values. That means what makes the alliance different from any other car maker. Then after this, I'm going to open it for your questions and try to have a dialogue as open as possible. First, what's the alliance? Alliance is today constituted by 2 major companies. Renault, which is a French company based in Paris. Nissan, which is a Japanese company based in Tokyo. These 2 companies working together, being autonomous, even though they are linked through a cross-shareholding. And around these 2 companies, there is an association of other companies, Avtovaz in Russia, Samsung in Korea, Dongfeng in China, Ashok Leyland in India, etc., all working in a kind of partnership, and all of this representing 7.2 million cars a year sold in 2010, $150 billion of revenue, about 350,000 people working directly for the 2 corporations across the globe, and positioning the alliance at the number 3 or number 4 level in the world car industry, depending if you consider Volkswagen and Suzuki as part of the same group or not. That's a little bit the stake. Now, why the alliance is different? Because the alliance is not a merger. It's not a merger between 2 companies. It has not been an acquisition. It's just 2 corporations deciding to working together in a way where each one of them keeps its own identity, its own culture. Each one of them has its own, board of director, executive committee, strategy, priorities, but at the same time working together to develop synergies. Trying to say, okay, how can we together do a better job than if each company was alone? That's what makes the alliance unique. It has been working for 12 years, because this started in 1999, and so far it delivered a lot of results. There was not so much conflicts in opposition to many other mergers, acquisition, cooperation that took place at the level of the industry, which means so far it has been a very viable model creating a lot of synergy, obviously challenged all the time, but can you do more? Can you do faster? Can you prove us why this is valid? Which is totally normal. That's about the alliance. So how can we summarize the strategy of the alliance? 2 very simple facts. Alliance wants to develop mobility for all, and we're going to exactly explain what does it mean, and sustainability.